What is up, everyone, and welcome back for another episode of Don's Lawns.
Yeah, Don's Lawns is the best.
In today's video, we came out here to let the ducks out for the morning, and I think we found our first egg. There may be two in there, but let's go take a look and see what's going on, and we'll talk about caring for your backyard poultry eggs. Okay, now you can open it up.
There's three.
Oh my goodness, there are 3 eggs. Check the other side over here real quick. Make sure there's nothing else over there. No. Wow. Okay. Good job.
They really did lay eggs.
Yeah. Here, we gotta lock it back up.
We locked it back.
You have to be very careful. If you swing it around, they could break. What do you think?
I love it. Now we can get eggs every single day.
Alright guys, so we went and we found those eggs out in the duck house, and you know, because these are Tuffy's first eggs, they are a little dirty. Now, you don't have to wash your eggs from your backyard flock, but when they're like this, you may want to, just to kind of clean them up a little bit. So a couple things about your backyard eggs. That the first thing that you may not realize is that they come coated with a natural protein from the bird, and that actually protects the egg and keeps it clean inside, kind of seals up the egg. So whenever you go to wash it, you need to make sure you're using a warm water, warm to hot water, to eliminate creating a vacuum where the egg can suck in any type of bacteria through its pores of the shell. So you got to use warm water, and like I said, that prevents the bacteria from getting vacuumed through the shell into the egg. The second thing is you want to use something unscented or some type of gentle, like a detergent type washer or cleanser. I'm going to be using vinegar. That's a very safe, all-natural type of cleanser. So first thing, we're going to get some warm water in this bowl, and then I'm going to take the eggs one at a time, spray them down with some of this vinegar solution, rinse it off into this nice warm water, and then I'll put them on a towel to dry, and then we'll put them in the fridge. Alright guys, so we have got these eggs. We already cleaned them. They are very clean now. Like I said, you don't have to wash them if you're fine having something on the outside. If there's some poop or whatever else, just give it a good little brush off if you want. However, if you want to wash it, I recommend you need to use a warm to hot water, and vinegar would be a nice, safe, all-natural cleanser for the egg. The eggs come coated with a protein from the bird, so it is sealed up. So once you clean it and you remove that coating, you need to get them in the fridge to prevent any types of bacteria and viruses and diseases from getting into the egg and ultimately getting you sick. So these are the eggs that Tuffy and Puffy have laid. Tuffy is the female, she's the black duck, and Puffy is the white and khaki kind of tan taupe color. Now Tuffy is the female. Tuffy is a black Swedish duck, we believe, and Puffy, the male, is what we believe to be an Indian runner. So this is a very unique egg. It's almost like a grayish color, kind of dark on one end, light on the other. I'm thinking that this egg might have been her first egg because it is the darkest egg and it is smaller, and they're gradually getting bigger as she is becoming a more professional layer, I guess you could say. But from now on, we're going to have to do a better job of checking the duck house every day to make sure that we're getting those eggs before they're sitting in there too long, and maybe getting some type of poop and stuff on them like this, or even I'd hate for them to get broken in there or get stolen and attract a rat or snakes or anything like that. So we're going to do a better job every day now of checking the coop and the duck house a lot better, and we're going to be gathering the eggs, rinsing them, putting them in the fridge. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, hit that like button, tap subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at DonsLawns1, and I hope to see you in the next video. Best of luck in the lawn and duck house.